Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the date, time, and region format in Facebook. So perhaps you're traveling or perhaps you are in a different time zone or different region than what Facebook thinks you're in. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make those adjustments. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and select the profile icon at the top right. Just left click on that and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button. On the left side, underneath Preferences, select Language and Region. And now underneath Region Format, formats for dates, times, and numbers, select the Choose button and give us a moment. And then at this point, you go ahead and adjust your region and dialect settings here. It gives you different formatting numbers and layouts that you can maybe recognize easier than others. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Just something to take a look at. You can also search for them as well through the search regions field up here at the top. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.